Hidden in the karstic heartland of Herzegovina in Bosnia and Herzegovina, the Kravica Waterfall is a breathtaking natural wonder that commands attention. Located just 40 kilometers south of Mostar on the Trebišačka River, this spectacular cascade forms a dramatic semicircular amphitheater of water, standing approximately 25 meters high and stretching 120 meters wide across its expanse. The waterfall is what geologists call a tufa cascade, formed over thousands of years as the Trebišačka River deposited limestone. This occurred when carbonate minerals precipitated out of the ambient temperature water, gradually building up the unique formations we see today. This ongoing natural process creates intricate limestone structures that continue to evolve, with moss and vegetation helping to accumulate even more tufa over time. Historically, this natural treasure was once privately owned. Records indicate it belonged to the Selimić family, specifically Zaim Beg Selimić, a famous municipal councilor, landowner, and philanthropist from Lubuski. How exactly someone came to own a waterfall remains part of the area's intriguing history. The name Kravica itself comes with an enduring local legend. Long before it became a tourist destination, the story goes that a cow, Krava in Bosnian, wandered too close to the river's edge, tumbled in, but miraculously survived the fall. This resilient animal was found unharmed at the base of the waterfall, leading locals to name the falls Kravica in its honor. The ecosystem surrounding Kravica is remarkably diverse. The park spans approximately 9 square kilometers of lush landscape, home to deer, wild boar, various bird species, and rich vegetation, including poplars, willows, figs, and chase trees. For visitors, Kravica offers numerous experiences beyond simply viewing the falls. The natural pool at its base provides refreshing swimming in water that maintains around 20 degrees Celsius year-round. You can rent kayaks or canoes for a different perspective, hike the surrounding trails, or simply relax at one of the family-run restaurants with stunning views of the Cascades. Kravica Waterfall stands as both a spectacular natural monument and a living ecosystem, a place where water, stone, and history have intertwined to create one of Bosnia and Herzegovina's most cherished landscapes, inviting us to appreciate the powerful yet delicate forces that shape our natural world. If you like this video, then please hit the like button, leave a comment, or subscribe to see my other videos. Thanks for watching.